This is an installation guide for a Mustang wind deflector fitting Mustangs from 2024 to 2030. Over the next couple minutes, we'll show you how easy it is to put the wind deflector in and out of your Mustang Convertible. When your wind deflector is shipped to you, the front brackets are stored in the down position. At the top of the large plastic, you'll find two thumb screws. You need to remove both of these thumb screws. Then you're going to turn the front bracket so it faces forward. So again, just turn the bracket inward so the holes in the bracket and the holes in the plastic line up, and then you just replace the thumb screws. So make sure you replace both of them, and then do this on the opposite side. Later in the video, we'll show you how to reverse the process, put your wind deflector in a storage bag, so if you wanted to store your wind deflector in the trunk. Start by lowering the top and pushing the front seats forward. Lower the wind deflector into the back seat area. There are 4 brackets that hold your wind deflector into place. There are also 4 straps that hold your wind deflector into place. We will go into more detail for each of these, but as you can see, you lower the wind deflector into the rear seat area, attach the 4 straps, and you are done. The 4 brackets are covered with a product called Plastisol, which is a soft vinyl, so it will not mark or damage your wind deflector in any way. Removal of your wind deflector is just as easy. Again, slide the front seat forward, undo the 4 straps, and each of the straps have a buckle so they can stay in the back of the car and they can easily be attached when they're ready. And then remove the wind deflector from the rear seat area. So close up, you'll notice the front bracket inserts into the slot where the seat belts come out, and the rear bracket attaches to the trim panel on the top. Again, these are coated with a Plastisol, so it won't damage or mark your convertible. Now, next we have 4 straps. 2 straps are going to attach to the side trim panel. So what you'll notice is the front one here attaches to a small slot in the bottom of the trim panel, and it's called a silver hook. And if you look at the end of the strap, you'll notice that there's a silver hook, and it's about 6 inches or so down. You'll notice that there's kind of a cutout. So you just slide the silver hook into that cutout, and it holds it nicely in place. The second strap is what we call a snap hook, and it can be attached either to the anchor system used for baby seats, or it can be attached to the side trim panel. So this is an example to where it's attached to the anchor system and it locks into place. Again, to undo it, you basically just push up the tab, push it forward, and slide it out. Now the other option is that you can also put the black snap hook on the bottom of the side trim panel. Some people do this just from a look point of view. They like it so they can tuck away the straps and out of the way. And it's nice and easy. And once you get the straps in place, you don't have to remove them. They are done. This photo shows you what the straps look like when attached to the wind deflector. Your Mustang come with 2 tonneau covers to help the look of your convertible. These tonneau covers can be used with the wind deflector in place, as you can see in this photo. Your wind deflector does store in the trunk. First thing you're going to need to do is remove the 2 thumb screws, turn the front bracket down, then you can install your wind deflector in the bag, and the bag goes in the trunk. Don't forget to put the thumb screws back into the large plastic, and your wind deflector will store in the trunk. It also comes with a free storage bag if you need to store the wind deflector in the trunk, or take it out and store in your garage if you needed the rear seat area. So that is your wind deflector installation guide for a Mustang from 2015 to 2023. At Love to Drive, we only make wind deflectors. We make them for over 40 Later in the
convertible
video,
models.
we'll show you how
We offer
to
a
reverse the
90-day
process,
money-back
put your wind
guarantee,
deflector in a storage
a 1-year
bag,
warranty,
so if you wanted to store
and we
your wind
offer
deflector
free shipping
in
both
the
ways.
trunk. We are sure you will love your wind deflector, and thus we offer free shipping to you. And for whatever reason, if you don't like the product, feel free to ship it back to us within the 90 days for a 100% money back guarantee.